Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can make slip knot in 3 different ways. So you need yarn and crochet hook. So let's start the first way to make slip knot. So take your yarn like this and now use your left side hand. Take your 2 fingers like this and wrap around your yarn on your 2 fingers and make a cross. Put pressure on the cross side and then slowly remove the loop from the fingers and then pull the small side from the loop, and then here you can see a knot. Then pull the tail to adjust the size of slip knot. Now take your crochet hook and you can now start your project. Second way to make slip knot, take a yarn like this and then make a 6 like this, and now make a 6 again and then pull the small side from the loop and pull. Here you can see the knot, and now pull the tail to adjust the size of slip knot. Take your crochet hook and now you can start your project. Third way to make slip knot, take your left side hand 2 fingers, make a cross, put a pressure and then take a crochet hook, pull the small side and then pull both sides. Now you can see a knot. Now pull the tail side to adjust the size of slip knot, and now you can start your project. So yeah guys, that's my video on slip knot. Comment down below which way you like more. So if you find my video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Bye guys.